Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics, and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, do you want to become hero from zero in Python? Let's understand comparison operators in Python. So comparison operators in programming are used to compare two values. The result of the comparison is usually a Boolean value, which is true or false. So in Python we use comparison operator to compare two values. So equal to this is a comparison operator, which means equal to, and this is a comparison operator equal and an exclamatory sign, which means not equal to, and this is greater than sign, and this is less than operator, and this is greater than or equal to, and this is less than or equal to. So let's understand comparison operator with two variable values. So for example, variable a have a value 10 and variable b have a value 20. So first let's try equal to comparison. So I said variable a equal to variable b, which will come false, which result will be false because 10 is not equal to 20. And then I said a is not equal to b, which will print the result as true because 10 is not equal to 20. And then I compared a is greater than b, which is false because 10 is not greater than 20. And then a is less than b will be true because 10 is less than 20. And then a is greater than or equal to 10 will be true because a have a value which is 10, which is equal to 10. B is less than or equal to 15, which will be false because 20 is not less than or equal to 15. Let's run this code and see if we print the result as I told you. So I printed the result as I told you, a equal to b, a which is false because 10 is not equal to 20. And same with all other, it printed all the results here. Hopefully you understand what are comparison operator in Python. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, in my previous video I told you about comparison operators. That what are comparison operators? All of these are comparison operators. Let's use greater than or equal to in a real life example. And if you wanted to check if someone is eligible for both, you can use greater than or equal to operator to check that if the person is eligible to both. So if person inputs the age 21, and then we're using if and else statement. So we're saying if the age is greater than or equal to 18, then print you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, print sorry, you are not eligible to vote. So we put a condition here: if the age is greater than or equal to 18, then you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, you are not eligible to vote. So let's age is 21 here now. Let's run this code and see what happens. So it says that you are eligible to vote because the age is greater than 18. So if the age is not greater than 18, let's put 17 and now run this code again and see what happens. So it's saying sorry, you're not eligible to vote. Yeah, hopefully you understand where we use comparison operator in real life example. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, today I will explain you what are membership operators in Python. So membership operators in Python are used to check if the value exists in a sequence like a list, string, tuple, set or dictionary. So there are two membership operators, in and not in. So first understand in operator. So in will return the true if the value is found in the sequence. For example, I have set of fruits here in which apple, banana and cherry, and then I want to check if the banana is in this set or not. So I will check like this. I will say banana in the fruit set. So it will return the true value because banana is present here. But if I said orange in fruits, it doesn't exist here, so it will return false. Let's run this code and check if it returns a true result. So as here, it returned true because banana is present in this set, and then it returned false because orange is not present in that set. And the second operator is not in. It not in will return the true if the value is not found in the sequence. So I have the same set here again, and I am checking now if the orange not present in this set. This will return true because orange is not present in this set. And then I said check if apple is not present in this set. As apple is present, so it will return false. Let's run this code and check. It returned true here because orange is not present in this set, and it returned false here because as apple is present in this set, that's why it returned false. Hopefully you understand what are membership operators in Python. If you like this video, hit the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, today I will explain you what are identity operators. So there are two identity operators. One is and the second one is not. So is will return the true value if two variable point to the same object. Is not will return the true if two variable point to the different object. So let's understand them with an example. So I have a set in which I have a variable x and it's a list and it contains value 1, 2, 3, and then I said y is equal to x. So it's mean that y and x are pointing to the same object, and then I said z is equal to 1, 2, 3, and z is a different object. So if I use x is y, it will return the true value because y and x are the same object. And then if I say print x is z, that means x is z. Although their values are the same, but they're different objects. That's why it returns false. Z has same values, but it's a different object. And if I say x equal to z, this is true because values are equal, but not the same objects. And the let's try now is not. So x is not z. This will return true because x and z are not the same objects. They have the same value, but they are the different objects. So in Python, identity operators are used to compare the memory location of objects. They are not used to compare the values. They just compare object identities. That means whether they are the same object in the memory. Hopefully you understand what are identity operator. If you like this video, follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, today I will explain you what are assignment operators in Python. So basically, assignment operators in programming are used to assign the values to the variable. In most languages like Python, Java or JavaScript, these operators can also perform operations and assign the result to the variable in a single step. So I have a basic assignment operator here, which is the equal sign. I have to declare a variable x is equal to 5, and then this will print, if I write print x, this will print 5 as an output. As here it printed. So this is the basic variable operator. Now we have compound assignment operators. So let's comment out this by pressing Ctrl// and then so let's understand compound assignment operators. So I have assigned a variable x is equal to 10. So compound assignment operator combine an arithmetic operation with the assignment, and I put x plus equal to 5. So this will do. So this is basically x is equal to x plus 5. So it will print 15, and then x multiply or equal to 2. So this is basically x is equal to x multiplied by 2. So it's using this result now, and it will print 30. And then I said x minus equal to 10. So this is basically x is equal to x minus 10. 30 minus 10 will be 20. And then I said x slash equal to 4. So this is x equal to x divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4 will be 5. And then I said x multiply is equal to 2. So then x to the power equal to 2. So then power of 5 to 2 will be 25. And then our output will be 25. If I run this program, it will give the following output, the one I told you. So by using these compound assignment operators, your code will be cleaner and more concise. Did you know about these operators before? And if you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, today I will explain you what are logical operators. So logical operators in Python are used to combine conditional statement which will return true or false. So these operators are commonly used in if statement and loops. So there are three main logical operators: and, or, and not. So let's understand and first. And will return true if both conditions are true. So for example, I have a variable x is equal to 10, and then I said print the result if x is greater than 5 and x is less than 15. So this will return true because both conditions are true. So let's run this code and check the result. And is it return the true here because 10 is greater than 5 and 10 is less than 15. So both conditions are true. Now let's understand or will return true if at least one condition is true. So for example, I have a variable y is equal to 11, and then I said print y less than 5 or y less than 15. This will return true because one condition y less than 15 is true. For y less than 5, 11 less than 5 doesn't meet here, but 11 less than 15 meets here, so that's why it returned true. Now we have not. Not will reverse the result. For example, it will give false if the condition is true and true if the condition is false. So for example, I have a variable z is equal to 10, and then I said print not z greater than 5. 10 is greater than 5, that's true. But because of using not operator, it will give false in the output because z is greater than 5 is true. Not makes it false. So let's run this code and see what happens. So it returned false for the not here because the condition is true, and it gave true here for the or operator because one condition met here. Hopefully you understand what are logical operators in Python. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, today I will show you what are conditional statements in Python. So here's a simple explanation of how to use conditional statements: if, elif, and else. So if checks a condition, if it's true, the code inside runs. And elif, else if, checks another condition if the first one was false. Then else runs if none of the both previous conditions were true. So let's understand this with an example. So this is the age which is input by the user, and if age is less than 13, then this code, only this block of code will run. So it will print you are a child. So let's put age 12 here and run this code. So it printed you are a child. As the first condition was true, that's why it only run this. But if age is not less than 13, for example, it's 14, let's run this code again and see what will it print. It printed you are a teenager. As it checked the first condition as it was not met here, and it run the check the second condition and run this block of code. And if both of these conditions are not met, then what will happen? This block of code will run. So let's put 19 here and now run this code. It printed you are an adult. So basically, Python will check this block of code. If it's not true, it will go to the second one. And if both of them are not true, it will run the else block of code. So hopefully you understand how to use if, elif and else together. Let me know in the comments if you like this video and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, do you want to become hero from zero in Python? Let's learn loops in Python. So loop lets you run a block of code multiple times. So Python has two main types of loops, while loop and for loop. So let's understand for loop first. So we use for loop when we want to loop over a sequence. For example, like a list, string or range of numbers. So let's understand this via code. So for example, we have a list of fruits and then you want to print the fruits one by one. Then you can use for loop like this, for fruits in fruits and then print fruits. And it will print the fruits one by one. Let's run this code and see the result. So it printed the fruit one by one as in here. Now there is one more common use of for loops is in range. So for example, we can use for loop in a range like for I in range 5. This will run until 5. This loop will run until 5 times and then it will print numbers 0 to 4. As in Python, always count from 0 until 4. If you want 5 numbers to be printed, you have to write 6 here. So let's run this code and see the result. So it printed 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hopefully you understand for loop and their use. In my next video, we will learn about while loops. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, do you want to become hero from zero in Python? Let's learn about loops in Python. So loops lets you run a block of code multiple times. Python have two main types of loops, while loops and for loops. In my previous video, I have told you about the for loops. In this video, we will learn about while loops. So we use this when we want to keep looping until a condition is false. So let's understand this via code. For example, we have count is equal to 0 and then while count less than 5, print count and keep jumping one step. This code will keep running until count reaches 5. Count equal to 0. You start with a count at 0 while count less than 5. So this is a loop which will continue as long as count is less than 5. Print count, display the current value of the count. Count less 1 equal 1. Increase count by 1 each time the loop runs. But be careful with while loops. If the condition never become false, the while loop runs forever and you have to restart your computer again because it will never stop. Hopefully you liked today's video and you understand while loops. Let me know in the comment and follow for more videos like this.